A pre-owned 2019 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 36,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.